fifth life of the White House is happening now.
It is constantly upgraded and protected. New power.
The White House is more than a building. It is a survivor, a witness, and a symbol of American power.
Before it became the most famous home in the world, it was only an ambitious idea on paper.
In 1792, President George Washington chose the site for the future executive mansion.
The design came from Irish-born architect James Hoban. Construction began with limited tools, limited money, and unlimited ambition. Much of the labor was done by enslaved African Americans.
In 1800, President John Adams became the first to live inside the unfinished house. The White House was big, but it was far from comfortable.
Then came war.
In 1814, British troops marched into the Capitol.
The White House was set on fire. Only the outer stone walls survived. America's most powerful symbol lay in ashes. But the story didn't end there.
James Hoban was called back to rebuild the White House.
By 1817, the White House stood again. The white paint was added to cover burn marks. New wings, new rooms, new power.
In 1902, Theodore Roosevelt modernized the building.
The West Wing was born. But by the 1940s, the White House was in danger again. The structure was slowly collapsing.
The White House would be gutted from the inside.
Only the outer walls remained.
A new White House was built inside the old one.
By 1952, the White House was reborn again.
This was its fourth life. Later presidents added their personal touches. Jacqueline Kennedy restored its historic beauty.
It witnessed wars, scandals, and historic victories.
Every wall has a memory.
The fifth life of the White House is happening now.
It is constantly upgraded and protected. It still stands for democracy. And for resilience.
Few buildings have faced destruction like this one.
Fewer still have come back stronger.
The White House has lived 5 lives.
Burned.
Rebuilt.
Gutted.
Reborn.
And still standing. This is not just a house.
This is the story of America itself.